travelers. Today I want to share with you my impressions of the incredibly beautiful place on the island of Tenerife, Santiago del Teide, not far from the majestic cliffs of Los Gigantes. Santiago del Teide is a true Canary gem, immersed in traditions and surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Here you can enjoy magnificent views of the mountains and breathtaking landscapes that seem unreal. But of course, the main attraction is the Los Gigantes cliffs. It is truly a magnificent natural wonder that is impossible not to fall in love with. The cliffs reach a height of 800 meters, creating a stunning visual effect that cannot be put into words. In Santiago del Teide, you will also find many cozy cafes and restaurants where you can taste authentic Canarian delicacies and enjoy local hospitality. The beaches here are quiet and secluded, making this place perfect for a peaceful retreat under the gentle sun. Come to Santiago del Teide to immerse yourself in the atmosphere of amazing beauty and enjoy the vibrant impressions of visiting this magical corner of Tenerife. Please give it a like, as it helps the development of my channel.